Hello there, people. Okay, today we are going to be talking about the hotshot flying insect killer. Okay, this is the stuff. This is the stuff. Okay, personal thing with me. I absolutely hate flies. Okay, I can't say I hate all flying insects, but I hate flies. They are just the most annoying, annoying creature on earth, the scourge of the universe, if you ask me. Yeah, so yes, see that dead fly right there? That is beautiful to me. Yeah, okay, well, hot shot. This stuff really works. It is really the better fly swatter, okay? A lot of people, like if you go out and buy a fly swatter or use a rag or something, you're chasing flies around your house. All you have to do with this thing is you see it flying around, just spray it real quick in the air where it is. And all you need is one good spray. And as long as that vapor, that spray vapor comes out, it comes out in like an aerosol cloud like spray. It's not like a Windex spray where you're spraying it on like a stream of water. It's like whoosh, it makes like a cone, when it sprays out. So the fly tries to get away, it is going to have to be super, super fast to get away from this. But usually they don't. All you have to do is get a little bit of the spray on the wings or the body of the flying insect, and you just know that you got it, and then you can walk away. Eventually, like in a few minutes, you will see a dying fly on the ground, buzzing around on the ground, jumping around like it's having a seizure or something. It can't fly anymore, and eventually it just dies. Because I think there's some kind of an acid or something in there that really disturbs their skin, or that the flesh that's on the outside of their body, it like eats them up, I mean, you're not going to see it like after a while, just a puddle of mush on the ground or anything like that. But it gets to them somehow, and it just kills on contact is what it is. And I don't know, it's just really a powerful spray, and I swear by it. It's so easy to catch flies now that, I mean, I just pity a fly that comes in my house now, because this stuff really, really works, and I swear by it. You won't find another better flying insect spray. Actually, it will kill pretty much any insect, pretty much. I tried it on ants too, and it knocked them out real fast too. Yeah, this stuff really works. It's really good, and it's very economical, and the killing is guaranteed. Okay, now it kills household flies, mosquitoes, any kind of flying insects. That's the guarantee. But in my personal opinion, it will probably kill any kind of bug. But now the downside. It sounded like there was no downside, but there kind of is, but it's small. The downside to this is they advertise that hotshot, the flying insect killer bug spray, has a clean, refreshing scent. The clean, refreshing scent. See that? Yeah, but it may smell a little sweeter than the average bug spray. Like the insect guy came to your house, it doesn't smell like that, but it smells like bug spray. Okay, I mean, you couldn't spray this and be like, oh, how fresh it is here. Oh, it's an air freshener. No, it smells like some kind of a bug spray that Forking Man or whatever who comes by and, you know, kills all the roaches or whatever with spray. It smells like that. Okay, and that's the downside. When I got it, I thought it was going to be, you know, winter fresh, you know. It was a little more expectation on that end than I expected, but I can't be, you know, picky when it comes to that. I mean, I know that it kills the flies, and that's what I really care about. And I know that you don't have to spray a whole lot to get it to work. So if you know what you're doing, you have to just spray once. Don't think you have to chase the fly around and keep spraying all over the place. Once you got it in that cloud, it got on him, and then it's gonna die. The downside of thinking that it's clean, fresh scent, it makes you think, oh, I don't want to spray this in the air because it will, you know, make me like not want to be in my house, you know? It's fine. It's totally okay. And just spray it a little bit and you will get that bug. Okay? It's good. You'll like it a lot. Okay? And that is the Hot Shot Flying Insect Killer. Okay? Kills bugs on contact. I hope you use this information, and I will see you next time. Okay? Bye-bye.